What horrors is she going to show us now?
So, I just so happened to find this uploaded on YouTube. I don't know who this person is or what their channel's about. I'm not sure. But Julie's trying to get out of mediation because they, family 2, are too scared for that. After the finger demonstration, Julie is still arguing her higher charge requested in the complaint is the correct one. This was This was recorded from a public Zoom link provided to me from the virtual court. I own no rights to this vehicle or vehicle video. Hold on, I'm looking at this other. Sorry, I have this thing that says their vehicles on the. Hold on a second. Okay, so this is Julie and BJ's court date.
Are we allowed to play that?
It's on YouTube. Why can't I? I mean, I'm just wondering. It's on YouTube. I mean, it's already there, so might as well.
I don't know if that's,
I mean, it's already on somebody else's channel on here. It's not my shit. I didn't put it out here. I have no idea.
I guess.
That's money. Her attorney. Julie, are you there?
We got the fucking mots. The mots, baby. The mots.
Okay. Ms. Skolnick, this case involves Miss Jackson. We don't have Miss Jackson on yet. So, but I want you to make a note.
Yes, I'm here.
You have my contact.
I'm here.
Okay.
I'm Brittany Jackson.
Oh, okay.
I'm so sorry. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how to change the.
I'm going to change it for you right now. So hold on 1 second, Ms. Skolnick. Hold on 1 second. Let me just do one thing at a time here. Rename. ITC. Brittany Jackson. Okay, Brittany, look now, I put Brittany Jackson and Julie Skolnick so that when this goes in before the judge, he knows to have both of you present. Okay, do either of you have an attorney? Because if you do, I'm not allowed to.
Real quick, Andrew Coletta and
Nicole here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be with them in a minute.
Okay.
All right? Yeah, just have them sitting there and I'll come and get them in a minute.
All right.
Because if you're represented, then I can't speak to either of you. So I know what's going on here. What our court rules provide in the case of civilian complaints like this is mandatory mediation. Now, Miss Jackson, you're in Carolinas or where are you?
Yes, sir. I'm currently and I reside in North Carolina. Yes, sir.
You ever have occasion to come to New Jersey?
No.
No,
sir.
Okay, and Miss Skolnick, you live in North Haven. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay. Okay, so this is preliminary. This is the first hearing date on this. I'm going to send you before the judge. He's probably going to discuss with you mediation. When it's civilian complainants like this, we have court-appointed trained mediators. And our court rules provide that you should participate in that process because it eliminates the criminal justice process. So this seems to be an appropriate case for that. So let me just send you in before the judge, both of you together.
Can I ask a question, Your Honor?
Yeah.
Prosecutor LaSalle.
Yeah.
What is this chart? The initial criminal complaint was for cyber harassment.
Right.
And my understanding was sent down to municipal. as simple harassment, disorderly persons,
Right,
so a lesser charge.
right.
But the original complaint was the criminal cyber harassment, which would have been a felony level 4.
Right, but it's been downgraded. So,
Right,
So-
so
in
what I'm
that
saying.
case, hold on,
what I'm
hold on.
saying Is it,
Hold on, ladies, let me finish
Sure.
answering Ms. Skolnick. So in that case, with civilian complainants, at this level, these cases go to mediation by court rule. All right, Ms. Jackson, you wanted to say something?
Yes, sir. In regards to, I'm perfectly fine with the whole mediation thing, but I need to, because I'm not familiar with any of this, but I need to know who I need to speak with to send over evidence, because I have an abundance of evidence to prove that Ms. Skolnick has blatantly lied on my name and my fiance's.
Okay, so look on the bottom of your screen. I'm going to
Okay.
give you my email.
Okay.
Of course, hold on one second.
Fiance. When did fiance come into play? What the hell?
I guess she's making up storylines.
NJ.com.
Okay.
Who
Who was able to record this?
Number in there.
Oh.
Okay, so everybody should have my email and my cell phone number available. You can send that to me. Again, if either of you hire an attorney, then your attorney should contact me. And for today's purposes, which are just very preliminary, I'm going to send you before the judge. Any other questions or comments?
yes,
Yes, I have one more. My fiance, he is currently he is represented. He's currently in litigation with Miss Skolnick regarding her. She's got a temporary protection order, and
Okay.
they have to have a court hearing on the 8th. So he is represented by an attorney.
Where is that case pending? On the 8th, where?
Miss Skolnick can answer that.
that's in Passaic
I'm-
County, that's in Passaic County.
Okay, so there's
Superior
something
Court.
pending in Passaic County Family Court?
That is for her domestic partner, Roger Craig Black. It's a separate,
Oh, okay.
It's
Hold
not
on
the
one
same-
second.
it's two
Thank you.
different people.
Yes, I understand that, and thank you for just reminding me, because I have his documents here. So now I'm gonna send everything in together. Let's see. Roger still at St. John's Church Road?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And I have Brittany, and I have Julie. Hold on one second. Okay. All right, good. Thank you for telling me that. So somebody should let us know. Everything should either go to our court administrator or to me. I'm the prosecutor. Again, unless you have an attorney. And then I'll help you guys sort everything out. So any other questions?
Yes, I have a question.
Yeah.
Is it typical in a civilian criminal complaint for the plaintiff to be represented by an attorney?
I want to know if it's typical. Right now, I'm your attorney.
Right, so my
although-
attorney
I'm
would be the
sorry.
prosecutor.
Yeah, but now that there's cross complaints, I can't represent both of you. So.
Well, but nothing's been filed against me. We
Oh,
only
I'm
have,
sorry. I can't represent, is there any cross complaints between Roger Craig Black and Brittany Jackson or no?
no,
Okay.
they're
So
separate.
since nothing's been filed against you, then yes, I would be representing Julie Skolnick. And then Ms. Jackson and Mr. Craig Black have the opportunity to hire their own lawyers if they want.
Right,
Any
and
other
based
questions?
on what Ms. Jackson just said, she said Mr. Black is represented by an attorney for the case in Superior Court.
Right, we don't have any.
Right, and that
appearance
has nothing to
in
do with this
court.
case. And in my case,
I don't know anything about that
Right.
case until
so
somebody
So-
sends me
the
information.
reason I was saying is that I'm I would have if I was under the understanding in a criminal complaint that I was represented by the prosecutor.
You're gonna be represented by me,
Right.
or, okay? Anything
Yes.
else before I send this
Yes.
into the judge?
So, in regards to the information that you provided, I took a screenshot of your contact. I can start sending evidence over to you as early as today. Would that be okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
I will
Mhm.
be sure to do that. And can you clarify something for me? Because I know Miss Skolnick, she goes live on her channel and she tells her, subscribers and stuff. There's a lot of people, there's a lot of harassment happening against me by some of her friends. And she'll go live and tell everybody that the prosecutor has picked up this case and that it's basically, is it the state of New Jersey versus Brittany Nicole Jackson, or is it a citizen complaint?
It's the title of to answer your question, these complaints are filed under New Jersey state law. So
Okay.
these are New Jersey state statutes. So the title of the case is State of New Jersey against Robert Craig Black II and State of New Jersey against Brittany N. Jackson. These are still civilian complaints. The complainants are Ms. Skolnick,
Okay.
and I am the prosecutor in this court. So these are my
Okay.
cases to handle. These are in New Jersey, we have 6 levels of criminal offenses. First degree criminal, that's like murder, first degree kidnapping. Second degree, less serious. Third degree, less serious. Fourth degree, less serious. Then we have disorderly persons complaints and petty disorderly persons complaints. Those are the bottom 2 of the 6. Below that, we have municipal ordinances like not getting your dog license or things of that nature. So these complaints are, let's see how these are written. These are petty disorderly or disorderly persons complaints. So they're
Okay.
bottom 2 level. So technically, I don't want to get too technical with you, but you asked me if these are criminal complaints.
Yeah.
The way the law describes them as quasi-criminal complaints.
Yeah.
Right. And state of New Jersey versus Brittany Jackson. May
Evidence
I ask
apply,
a
the
question?
criminal burden of proof on it, right. Yeah, but we gotta
May I
kind
ask
of wrap this
another
up. You both
question?
can call me to,
Yeah, I just want to say one thing. These-
because I have like 40 other people waiting,
This
but,
is the last
yeah.
question I have. Due to
Okay.
the fact that there's serious complaints about here in this case about serious harassment of myself and my family members, and including facilitating threats of violence against me, and harassment of my autistic son.
What's
So
your
I'm not
question?
sure that this case is appropriate for mediation because of the seriousness of the threats.
Tell that to the judge in a minute when I send you in front of the judge.
Okay, sounds good. That was it.
All right, anything
you.
else?
Nope.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask both of you, look on your screen. Let's see, I'll do Ms. Skolnick first. Ms. Skolnick, you'll see something on your screen. It's gonna say join main session. Click on join main session. You'll be with the judge. Likewise, Ms. Jackson, right now you should see join main session. Click on there, you'll be with the judge.
Thank you, Mr. LaSalle. Have a blessed
Thank
day.
you. Thank you, you too. Everyone else, I'll be back to you momentarily. Please stand by.